everyone, it's Whitney. Welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to share with you how to make your home super cozy for these fast approaching winter months. I just saw a few snowflakes outside and I'm getting pretty excited. So I want to share with you my top tips on how to bring that feeling of cozy into your home. Now, when you are thinking about designing around a word, for instance, today is cozy, but it can be any word, whatever design aesthetic you're going for. Think about your 5 senses and how each of your senses reacts to that specific word, and bring in one element that satisfies each of those senses, and you will nail the aesthetic that you are going for. If you are new here, hi, welcome. My name is Whitney and I help you DIY a cozy home with home product review, thrift flips, DIY home renovations, and other projects like that. So if you like videos like this, give it a big thumbs up and consider subscribing. I would love to have you join my DIY fam. All right, so let's get into how to make your house a little bit more cozy for these winter, did I get it? Winter months. One of the most important things to pay attention to when you're trying to bring in that cozy vibe is your lighting design. So you're gonna wanna swap out those daylight light bulbs for some soft white light bulbs. You can do a lot of accent lighting. Look for really cool lamps at thrift stores, at yard sales. You can even DIY some of your own. I made a DIY pendant light right up here. I'll link that video up in the down below if you wanna check that out. But lighting, warm lighting, and lots of it. This is the season for Christmas lights. You can utilize Christmas lights in unconventional areas, not just on your Christmas tree, and it'll bring that warm, cozy, romantic vibe in, and you will get to where you're wanting to go. If you have dimmable recessed lighting, look at getting some dimmer switches. The Lutron dimmers are my favorite. Some of them are Wi-Fi compatible. This is a great solution to getting that nice, soft, dim feeling around the dining table, or if you're watching a movie, just dim those down a little bit. If you got the fire going and you only want a little bit of light going, check out some Lutron dimmers. They're fantastic. I am a candle lover, maybe hoarder. I'm not sure, but I have candles burning year round and I'm a big scent seeker, and these are some of my favorites that I have found from Amazon. I love finding candles that have reusable packaging once the candle is burned. Look at how pretty this one is with the fluted detail and the glass lid. Oh my God. The fragrance, you guys, oh my God. This is the Fraser Fir, but it's not just Fraser Fir. There's like a little bit of like woody warmth, like a musky tone in there, so it's not just Christmas tree. It's like, it's a sophisticated Christmas tree, a gentlemanly Christmas tree. And the scent throw on these candles are amazing. You can have just one burning and literally your whole house will smell fantastic. One of the reasons I love these candles is they are soy wax. They have a lead-free cotton wick, vegan, cruelty-free. The packaging is reusable, and this one, when it comes, the packaging is so pretty. It's perfect for a gift. Put this on your Christmas list for a scent seeker or somebody who loves candles. This would be a great Christmas, I mean, these would both be a great Christmas gift, but this one, the box that it comes in is so pretty. So the fragrance on this one, this is the Jasmine Blossom. This smells like, it's floral, but it's the good type of floral. It's kind of like gardenia with a little bit of like citrusy, but it's not too fruity. It's not too sweet smelling. It's definitely, there's a little bit of earthiness in there. I don't know, it's perfect. It smells like a fancy hotel. Like it smells like when you walk into like a fancy hotel on the beach. No, this is like the fancy floral, not the baby doll grandma floral. That little fruit fly is going to drive me crazy. He likes to smell the candles too. So a tip for when your candles are done and you're trying to get that last little bit of wax out of there, put them upside down in your freezer and then it'll just kind of pop out and then wash it out. This would be great for, I could put even like cotton balls in here and put it in my bathroom. I mean, I could do these like side by side in the bathroom. Q-tips, cotton balls. Speaking of storage solutions, a great way to bring in that really cozy warmth into your space is with baskets. Look for different types of baskets. You can even use wine barrels. One of my favorite baskets is this one because of what's in it. You ready? Like this one. Oh, hi Lucy. Can you say hi to everybody? Baskets are a great way to store puppies, you know, throw blankets, maybe even a plant. When you're looking for baskets, look for something that has a little bit more of a structure like this. It will just look nicer when you're putting blankets, towels, toys, yoga mats, whatever you decide to put in your basket. It will just look nicer because it'll be able to stand up. I love this one from Amazon. It has cute little handles. It is in white and desert. It is made from 100% recyclable cotton. Great quality. The craftsmanship is awesome on here and it's really affordable and you can get it on Amazon. Using baskets in your space is a great way to bring in extra storage, and it also brings in that cozy vibe. You don't have to just use them as just a basket to sit on the floor. These cute little hanging baskets bring so much joy to my heart and just the right amount of warmth to this corner. You guys, check out the Jolie Muse Store on Amazon. I get so much of my home decor from them. The quality is great. Their storage options are fantastic. There's a ton more than I've shown here. All three of the baskets today are from there, but they have a ton more of different storage solutions if you are looking for some nice, cozy, warm storage baskets or boxes like that that kind of fit like a contemporary farmhouse design. Also, think about what you're using for your laundry baskets and your hampers. This is something that is often so overlooked that can just add that element of cozy in there. I used to just use those plastic laundry baskets for everything. So if you do a lot of laundry like I do, or if you keep hampers or laundry baskets in your room, think about upgrading them to like a nice, luxurious feeling basket that's really affordable, and that will up your chore of doing laundry. It won't make it feel like such a chore, right? Right, Lucy? Did you like your basket experience? I think she's hungry. Since we spend so much time indoors over the winter months, bring an element of the outside in. You can bring plants in, you can incorporate more house plants, but you can also forage for some really great stuff to put in your vessels. You can do branches, you can do twigs, you can do berries, you can spray paint some twigs white if that's the aesthetic you are going for. There's some really great options for artificial twigs, which I will link a few of my favorites down below. But if you're in the great outdoors, if you have access to a park or a backyard, you can forage some really great stuff as well, and you can bring that element into your space. One of the most obvious and important items you need to bring into your home to really create those cozy vibes are some great throw blankets. Amazon has a ton of great affordable throw blankets just like this one. I will have some of my favorites linked down below. Also, check out my Amazon storefront. I have a ton of great ones linked over there as well. And I also just did an outdoor DIY daybed where I review 3 throw blankets over there. So if you want to check that video out, I'll have that linked up in the cards and down below for you as well. Putting a record on is a fantastic way to bring in that cozy feel. Get yourself a fun little collection. You can find records at the thrift store for 25 cents, and you can typically find record players at the thrift store and yard sales as well. It is one of my favorite ways to bring in that cozy vibe, especially during the holidays. Moving into the bedroom. Now this is one of the most important rooms in your home to get those cozy, warm, inviting vibes to get you through the winter. Now, if you want those really soft, warm and fuzzy sheets, you're going to want to go with flannel, and Target is my favorite place to get flannel sheets. They have really cute prints like snowmen or snowflakes, but if you want to go with the farmhouse aesthetic, you can get plaid or you can get simple basic solid color ones. So since I am a hot sleeper, I like to keep my sheets pretty cooling even throughout the winter, and I also like to have at least one duvet that is cooling as well. Sometimes I like to double stuff my duvet cover, which I'm going to show you here in just a minute. It is the magic of making your bed like super lush and plush and cozy. So if you're looking for a duvet that is like temperature regulating, that can get you through all of the seasons and be a great complement to another duvet and a double stuffed duvet cover, check out the Sleep Zone. It's a down alternative duvet. It is made with Nanotex technology, which is a great technology that wicks your moisture away, regulates your body temperature. All of my materials in my home that are made with Nanotex technology are some of my favorites. So check this one out from Sleep Zone. It is Ecotech certified. One of my favorite things about Nanotex technology is the drying time. Anything with Nanotex is it dries so quickly. So if you have an Airbnb like I do and you need to turn around your linens really quickly, look at getting some Nanotex technology fibers, because that drying time has saved me in so many situations to where I might not have a duvet to put on that bed to having a fully dry duvet. So check them out. This is a great duvet. I really like the stitching pattern and the border around it. It's not too thick, but it's also thin enough where you can double stuff a winter duvet cover. The finished piping detail all the way around the edge is fantastic, and there are tie loops everywhere. Now, if you're wanting to up your bed cozy game just one more notch and you're looking for a duvet cover, but you're also a hot sleeper, I mean, this can be for all sleepers, but if you are a hot sleeper and you want to double stuff your duvet, but you're looking for a textile that will help with body temperature regulation, look for 100% 100% flax linen. I found this one on Amazon. This is 100% washed flax linen, and it is amazing. Now, I don't know why I always thought that 100% linen was always so expensive and too luxurious of a fabric for me to afford, but you guys, this one is literally half the price of like a simple one that you would find at Pottery Barn. One of my favorite design details on this is that there is an invisible zipper closure at the bottom. A lot of the times duvet covers have like snap closures or button closures at the bottom, and then your duvet can like poke out of the bottom, but this one does not. This has an invisible zipper, so your duvet is totally encased. It looks so clean and crisp. It's one of my favorite details. This also has tie corners, which some duvet covers do not have. I don't know why you would do that. Because your duvet inside kind of slips around, but this does have ties, so that's good. Let's just take a second and talk about this pillowcase for a minute. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you guys know I review a lot of bedding, and I hate like the back flappy on pillowcases. It's puny. The pillow doesn't go in it. It's the bane of my existence. I hate it. Well, I have a confession to make. It's not the back flappy that I hate. It's the size of the back flappy that I hate. You guys, I think this pillowcase has made me a back flappy lover. Just check out how deep this pocket is. Do you see that? It goes all the way in and becomes an envelope. Oh my God. Like, this is what it's supposed to look like. Like, this is it. Like, this should be the precedent for all other pillowcase companies. Bedding companies, take note. We want longer back flappies. This is what we want, okay? Now let me show you the magic of double stuffing a duvet. So first things first, what you're gonna wanna do is flip your duvet cover inside out and lay it on the bed. And then you're gonna put your duvet on. Once you have that all lined up, you're gonna put your second duvet on. Now I've had to take this bedspread out of commission because there is a rip in it, but you won't be able to tell there's rip in it when it's inside the duvet. Then you're gonna wanna line up your two duvets and all of your ties and tie everything together. Since this one is a regular bedspread and not a typical duvet insert, I'm gonna pinch some fabric and tie the corner in. And so now you're just gonna start rolling everything down together. So once you get to this point, you're gonna find your opening and then pull everything through. I know, that's really confusing. Now you just unroll it. I think this Evelo duvet set is the perfect gift for anybody on your Christmas list, or if you want to put it on your own wish list, this would be a fantastic gift to receive. Oh my God. But the packaging that this comes in it's a cute little box. It's already done for you. Just put a bow on it and write a little love note and you are good to go. So check this one out on Amazon. It's one of the cheapest 100% stone washed French linen duvet covers I have found on there, and it's great quality. I highly, highly, highly recommend it. Let's talk about Fireplace Accessories real quick. Now, my fireplace here at the farm is not in working condition. I have to get the inside of it redone. But you can use like a variety of candle stands, and then you can also get some andirons. That's what these brass things are on the side. It's what holds your log holder. A lot of the times I find them at Habitat for like $15 for the set. So you can do like a fun little candle arrangement if you have a fireplace that isn't working. But if you do have a working fireplace like over at my client's house, think about upgrading some of your fireplace accessories. We got this really cool fireplace tool set off of Amazon. It's from Pilgrim Home and Hearth. Found this beautiful log holder from West Elm. So if you have a little bit higher of a budget, check this one out. But if not, I will link below some of my favorite Amazon finds. Those are some of my favorite tips on how to bring that cozy vibe into your home. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite tips are so we can share them amongst each other. And I will see you all on the next one. Bye.